I made a lot of money, then lost a lot of money because I did a lot of dumb shit. 2-3 years ago, I wasn't in this position. I say that all the time. A year ago, I wasn't in this position. Now, a year ago, I still was trading. A year ago, I was still making content. A year ago, I was still live trading. But it wasn't to the level that I am now. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Let me show you, put the windows down a little bit so you guys can hear how the car starts. But we have a little bit of a different video today. We're gonna have a car talk, and nonetheless, let's get the car started. It's a beautiful noise. It's a beautiful noise. But nonetheless, happy holidays, everybody. I'm gonna roll the windows up while we have the conversation. But happy holidays. It's one of those things where I'm just super grateful to be in this position. As of today, the date being November 29th, the day after Thanksgiving. It is early in the morning, 8:40. I got a VIP session in a little bit. We're gonna be live at 9:30. I don't know if I'm gonna take any trades because I don't really know how the market's gonna play around today, considering it's Black Friday, as you guys know. And also, speaking of Black Friday, take advantage of the discount. Everything is half off. Mentorship's half off. VIP, content to cash. That's the only stuff I offer, but that's all half off. The course has been free. It's free times 2 now, so take advantage of it. But yeah, take advantage of that discount, but neither here nor there. I'm just super thankful to be in this position on Friday. I'm sitting inside of a Porsche. Now, even though this isn't my Porsche, there was a point in my life where I couldn't afford to even rent a Porsche. This Porsche has cost me $1,000 for the last week so far. It would cost me less to own the car in reality. So the fact that I'm paying that much, I'm still about to pay my rent. I'm still about to go buy a TV today for Black Friday. I'm still about to do all these different things, and I'm possibly still even going to make money trading. It's crazy to think about because 2-3 years ago, I wasn't in this position. I say that all the time. A year ago, I wasn't in this position. Now, a year ago, I still was trading. A year ago, I was still making content. A year ago, I was still live trading. But it wasn't to the level that I am now. We just hit 300 VIP members, meaning there is 300 people trading with us. Now, it's not every single day because you guys know how it is. There's always a risk to reward ratio with everything. If there's a certain amount of people in a live chat, there's going to be a certain amount of people that are active. Then out of the people that are active, there's only going to be a certain amount of people that actually show up to the call. That's just how business works. When it comes to a YouTube video, there's going to be a certain amount of people that view the video, right? The views. But what is the percentage of people that watch a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, the whole video? It dwindles down. And that's the same with any business model, because keeping people's attention is not easy. And I'm not going to make this a video about keeping attention because that in itself is a whole different topic. That's what the content to cash program's for, monetizing attention. But I don't want to keep rambling. I want to keep this very concise. I'm just super grateful because 6 months, not even 6 months, a year ago is when I started VIP. A year ago, January is when we started VIP, and we're at 300 members in less than a year. My free chat right now, the free private inner circle, that's where I originally was live trading. I've been live trading, like I said, for 2-3 years already, but it wasn't always paid for. It only started becoming a paid service this year. Before, it was 100% in the private inner circle. I was live trading, and I even had it on YouTube. So if you want to go back to the old YouTube videos, they're all there. The live trades literally every single day for years. They're on there. And I documented that for a long time. It just got to a point to where I was putting out so much and I wasn't getting rewarded for the time I was putting into it. So that's when we created VIP, and that's where VIP got to where it is. Also, within the last year, a year ago to this day, I probably just had 1,000 subscribers. Probably. I'm gonna look at the analytics right now to get the actual exactly what it was, but I don't even think I had 1,000 subscribers, bro. The growth we've had in the last year is crazy, bro. I'm gonna go to it. So in the last 365 days, these are the metrics. I haven't even read it myself. I'm gonna try to read it on the camera. But these are the metrics for the last 365 days. This is how many views we got. So in the last 365 days, we're about to hit 2 million views in the last 365 days. And if I go to, I can't see how much that translated in terms of subscribers, but that's 2 million views in a year. Now let me go to how many views I have in total on my channel. Let me put that in perspective. This year alone, we almost did 2 million views. My channel only has 2.1. So before this year, I only had 100,000 views on my channel. And look at what year I started the channel. Come on, bro. The channel started 2020, which was 4 years ago, which is when I started trading. That's when I originally started the channel, started putting free content out there, just kind of documenting, not even documenting the journey, just overall talking about what I'm doing in terms of trading, in terms of the system, in terms of risk management, what I'm improving on, documenting me passing challenges, documenting payouts. A whole bunch of stuff has changed this year. I started trading into futures this year. The whole YouTube blew up this year. I started VIP this year. It's just crazy. Last year, I had to downgrade my living expenses because I fucked myself up the previous year. Everybody knows the story I talk about when I talk about how I lost a lot of money at a young age. I made a lot of money, then lost a lot of money because I did a lot of dumb shit in terms of spending money on dumb shit, in terms of not understanding risk reward in real life, not even in just trading, not understanding risk management in real life, not even in just trading, not understanding the importance of discipline, consistency, and remaining uncomfortable. I didn't know any of those things, but I had to go through it to understand it. I wouldn't be in this position now, sitting in the Porsche, sitting inside of the garage of my high rise in downtown Tampa, the day after Thanksgiving, about to trade with a team, about to record. I'm recording a video for thousands of people. I know for a fact there's thousands of people that are going to watch the video, and that's crazy to think about. I did the same exact thing when nobody would watch the video. I'm doing the same exact thing on my second channel right now. That's another thing that's changed. I went from not able to upload a daily video on one channel to uploading a daily video for months on my one channel this year, to then making a second channel to where I'm trying to upload daily videos. And I would be lying if I said I was actually sticking to the posting the daily video on the second channel. But guess what? I'm human. I'm trying to improve every day. It's not easy. It's not easy. Posting 2 videos a day, going to the gym, being active with VIP, being there for my girlfriend, for my family, trying to feed my dogs, trying to walk my dogs, trying to take care of the crib, trying to pay things that need to get fixed. Think, for example, my car. My car is getting fucked up right now. I still need to pay that $1,700. I got to pay that $1,700. I'm buying this new TV. I paid the $1,000 for this car. What else? What else? I got to pay rent in a couple days. What else? Holidays is coming up. There's so much money that is being spent, and the fact that I still have money to spend is crazy. That's what really baffles me, because there's a lot of times I wake up and I'm like, damn, all this money I've been spending, what if I lose it all? What if I don't have money no more? And then I come to terms. Every single day I wake up, I follow the same ritual, the same routine that brings money to me. I don't need to chase money. Me posting videos is going to bring me money. Me trading every day and just following my rules, not chasing winning a trade, not chasing feeling good, not chasing my setups. Me showing up, following my trading rules is going to bring money. I may not make money today from trading. I may not make money Monday from trading, but doing what I'm supposed to long term, my system, my setup, my strategy, my risk management, holding myself accountable, being there for myself, having the discipline and patience and consistency I need to achieve the things I need to, that's going to be there. That's going to bring me the money. Posting every day valuable YouTube videos is going to both monetize my business, terms bring sales for me. Yes, I'm transparent about that all the time, but I realized yesterday, I've been selling stuff before I had 1,000 subs. That's how you monetize YouTube. In reality, I don't make much from ads. I don't. I make nothing. Like YouTube itself, in terms of ad revenue, pays me the least out of every single one of my businesses. The ad revenue literally is just like, it pays my car and a little bit of my rent. A little bit of it. It doesn't pay everything, but I like the videos because it's the discipline it builds in me. I enjoy making videos. I was doing the videos before I was getting paid for it. For years before I was getting paid for it. I did it for 3 years and made $0. And that's just on this channel. I've had multiple channels, and anybody that knows me personally, you know that. I've been into content for a long time. It's one of my dreams. I wanted to be an actor at one point. But instead of being an actor, I'm authentically myself, and I'm able to get paid for it. I've authentically monetized the fact that I have a skill, which is trading. I have a skill, which is making content. And I both make content for people that people enjoy, and then I also am able to teach the people that want to. Like, these videos aren't for me to teach you how to become a great trader. I want to teach you how to be a great individual. Trading is just going to be a byproduct of you becoming the best version of yourself. Because I don't care what you do. You may not be trading in 10 years. You may not be trading in 2 years. Regardless, what you learn from these videos is going to be able to benefit you regardless if you are or not. Because I understand that. There's a very small percentage of people that are going to be able to be successful trading. There's a very small percentage of people that are going to be able to be successful in general. So trading just even narrows it down even more. So it's just one of those things. I want you guys to come to these videos and learn exactly what it takes to be the best version of yourself. Because indirectly, by being the best version of yourself, the happiness is going to come. The money is going to come. This car in itself doesn't make me happy. But you know what does make me happy? The fact that I can have this. I can put myself in it. I have the option. A lot of people don't have the option, whether it's to have the car they want, whether it's to test drive different cars to see if they want it first, whether it's to live in a nice high rise, whether it's to be able to go out and buy a TV on Black Friday because I have the money and I want a TV in the living room. You know what I mean? Other people, they just don't have the option. They want the same things. They want to be in a nice car. They want to be happy. They want to be able to enjoy their time. They want to be able to go to Disney World on any other day. They want to be able to enjoy their life that they have, but they don't have the option. And why don't they have the option? Because they haven't done the things that are going to put them in the position to have an option. They haven't done the things that are going to build them into the individual that's going to make a life that has options. You understand? It all comes down to you. Not your friends, not your family, you. I've been broke. I've had money. And I promise you, I was always the same person with and without money. I just felt like I wasn't. But how I feel doesn't matter. I know who I am. But you only have that confidence from actually achieving. Like I said, I've made money before. That fact that I did it once always told me I could do it twice. And guess what? Where we are. We're here the second time. And I'm not going to lose it this time because I learned from that first time what was necessary. Now it's time for me to get to the next level. Now it's time for me to go beyond belief. This is just the start. This is not even the surface. We're only at 30K subs. Not even 30K, but we're about to hit 30K subs. Imagine where we're going to be in a year. Imagine where we're going to be in 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. The sky's the limit as long as you work every single day. And that's why I document these videos, and I recommend you guys do the same exact thing. Because no matter what, even if these videos stop getting any views, I know where I'm going to be based off of trading. I know where I'm going to be based off of all the skill sets that I've learned for myself. Even if I say stop making videos for myself, guess what? I know how to make videos that are going to be able to keep people's attention and get them to watch. So even if I don't do that for myself, I can do that for other people. So regardless, the skill set's never going to go anywhere. And like I said, if you have the skill, the money's going to follow. Find the systems, find the process that's going to bring money into your pocket. Don't chase the money. The money will come. But I just wanted to end it off with that. I want to keep it a nice little short, concise video. I might have the double upload today on the channel, depending on how much content I can get filmed today. But nonetheless, I want you guys to know, anything that I could do, you could do. Anything I could do, you could do better. It just comes down to what you're going to do. I can tell you what to do, but are you going to do it? That's the main thing. Fuck words, fuck everything besides actions. Take action. What am I going to do after this video? I got to edit it, got to get it posted, then I got to go live with VIP. Then after VIP, I got to go rent a U-Haul. Then after renting the U-Haul, I got to go get the TV. After I get the TV, I got to come home, got to set it all up. Then I got to take my girlfriend to work. Then after I take her to work, I got to come home, got to go to the gym. After I'm done the gym, I'm going to go upstairs, probably go on Instagram Live. After I'm done on Instagram Live, I'm going to likely get more content edited in terms of the next vlog. And then after that, I might have to walk the dogs and feed the dogs in between all of that. Also, I got to also have time to feed myself. I have to also get that video uploaded or scheduled, then get my girlfriend from work, then figure out a way for us both to eat now because now it's dinner time. Then at that time, guess what? It's going to be 12 o'clock. It's going to be time to go to sleep. It's going to be time to do it all over. Just like that. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, Black Friday discount if you want to join VIP, half off of everything. Mentorship, half off of everything that is paid for. Like I said, the free course is already free. So if you don't got the money right now, the free content is going to be there. The course is going to be there. And I'm going to continuously be here on this channel, my second channel, and forever. Forever and forever and forever. And somebody asked me yesterday, they said, how long is the VIP going to be there? How long are you going to live trade? I've been doing it for 3 years, and I don't, there's no stopping. Like, there's no, like, stopping right now is not even a thing. I'm more likely to die before I stop. But with that being said, have a great night. Have a great day. And I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.